Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be meal prepping. So I'm just getting a few things started. I have some chicken pulled out from the freezer. So we are going to put that into our crock pot with some salsa. Get that going. I have to get my workout in, which I'm going to do next, but I wanted to get some things going. So we are going to get that done. We are making some grilled chicken, which I probably won't make till tomorrow because I want to let this de-thaw a little bit more. I am going to be making some blueberry muffins. I am going to be making a protein Greek pasta salad. I am going to be making some rice. We're gonna make the salsa chicken bowls and all of that good stuff. So we're going to get that started. If you saw, I did a grocery haul, the video before this, which shows all the stuff that we bought to make all of this. So if you guys are looking for some like what I eat in a day, high protein, low calorie, weight loss, all that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe. So let's get started.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing into the night sky.
All right, now we are going to get the water going for the protein Greek pasta salad. I'm gonna salt the water, get that going, and I'm going to cut up all of the veggies that are going to be going into the pasta.
Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love
the pasta is done. I have the water going for the rice, which I have ready to go here. So we are going to rinse off our pasta and add that to our mix here. Our protein pasta, and just rinse it off in cold water. Woo! Foggy limbs. So that is the salad. Obviously, we're going to put grilled chicken on that. It's just not made yet. I'm also making some for my mom, so I'm going to cut up some red peppers and put that in hers, and some more cucumbers, and then we're going to add our feta cheese and this Newman's Own vinaigrette dressing. Our muffins are done. Our water is boiling for our rice, so we're going to add our rice in.
Whatever can be found, 'cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier. For you, I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around. Drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier.
Alright, it is a few hours later and the salsa chicken is all done, so I'm going to put together some of those bowls.
For you, I do it all night.